Take a good look, Seth. It could be the last time you look at the championship.
Look at it a long time, Seth. You might be kissing it goodbye.
Hashtag Lesnar versus Rollins. And the Suplex City chants have begun.
And Seth Rollins may have a one-way ticket there.
And here we go, underway for the WWE World Title, and just like that, Brock Lesnar back at Rollins into the corner, shoulders to the midsection, and Lesnar gets out of the box quickly.
Guys, this may turn out to be like a total mismatch.
There you go.
And
Rollins
Rollins
start fighting.
The elbows fighting back out of the ring, buys himself time.
Start fighting or start running.
I take the ladder.
Get it back in here, Rollins.
And here's Lesnar. Lesnar now in pursuit. And Rollins quickly on the attack.
Smart move there by Rollins.
John, you've been in the ring.
Here we go.
Oh, you've been in the ring with Brock Lesnar.
Oh.
Deceptively quick.
Save me, bro. Save me.
You can't practice. You can't game plan. You can't model the strength of Brock Lesnar until you're in the ring with him. And once you feel it, you're afraid. He is the beast. This is the ultimate fighting machine.
Oh, look at Rollins is going for the hamstrings again, and Lesnar caught him midair and begins to stomp of his own. Now he's got Rollins up, looking for the F5. And Seth Rollins escapes momentarily. Back to the top rope. Rollins got caught. There's number one.
Houston.
Here we go. Underway for the WWE World Title, and just like that, Brock Lesnar back at Rollins into the corner. Shoulders to the midsection, and another German.
Should we start the count? How many of these do you think Seth Rollins can take?
I don't know, but we're going to find out. We may need everybody's fingers if we start counting on fingers.
For the WWE World Title, just like that. Brock Lesnar back in the corner.
If AJ connects with this, it's lights out for the Almighty.
There it is, the phenomenon. Here we go, underway for the WWE World Title, and just like that, Brock Lesnar back at Rollins into the corner. Shoulders to the midsection, and Lesnar gets out of the box quickly. The phenomenal AJ Styles landed hard. Bobby Lashley couldn't take advantage of the Pele kick by AJ Styles. And another one to Corbin.
AJ could be looking for the Styles clash.
And he hits that. Claymore kick from McIntyre.
Welcome to Raw, AJ.
Went for the Superman punch, and McIntyre intercepted Reigns.
How
And another
lethal
throw by McIntyre.
is Drew McIntyre?
McIntyre is...
Oh, no.
Oh, and it looked like he could be going for the Claymore to Reigns into the post, but Superman punch off the kick by Rollins.
McIntyre spills out over the barricade. Rollins now in the ring. There's Corbin.
Drive by.
What an interception. Here comes Seth.
Suicide dive by Rollins, and the Universal Champion's rolling. Plants him. Cover by Lashley to knock off Styles, and it's Seth Rollins with a stomp. Roman Reigns. Spear. And the
Biya patile no hobo, lagi bo, mo